Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umtimantu mabuyu bambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtshelo phakathi and King Ginger, cream de la cream. Ufuna ukwenza show uthela itswayi phakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a people king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another banger. Shendere bobo, si popo, si. Take me straight to the couples. Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandu mabuyu bambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Quiz baba quiz Shendere bobo si popo si. The power of King Ginger, the power of combined with the fake pastors and the fake anointed weak, but the power there comes to me. That's me, Shendere bobo, little boy of Enigma. Fethu khamba kanjani bhuti?
Grand.
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami. Ngicela ukubuza man, yazi sesiduke kakhulu lana mfethu. Sifuna le shopping complex ekuthiwa ingwenya shopping complex le nje inetawu ngaphandle. Ngathi crocodile la coast. But kuthiwa ingwenya shopping complex. Ile complex ekhona nje la endaweni. Aniyazi?
Khona kodwa eish angazi ukuthi uzohamba kanjani kodwa ke
Lu starter. Awukho sure.
Angikho sure.
Kodwa nikhona ne?
Ya kodwa ikhona.
Yeah. Ikhono. Futhi mina igama lami nguKing Ginger. Futhi ngicela nje ukunibuza imibuzo emincane bese ngiyanidedela ngoba nathi siphuthuma kule complex enkulu eqeda ukuvulwa le yakangwenya. Yeah, ubani igama brother?
My name is Sean.
Ushon.
Yeah, Ushon.
Thank you Sean. Mina nguKing Ginger mfethu. Sean, where's home makhaya?
Zim.
Which side?
Zim. Lusaka.
Yeah, big up to Zim, my brothers. What up, Lusaka? My name is King Ginger, cream de la cream, Shendere bobo, si popo. Love you so much, Zim. Thank you, Joya. Maupume kaslami mfethu. Sure. Zim is my country too, my brother.
Since when?
What do you mean, since when? Since I was born. This guy, you don't even know my home.
There's no people.
I am Gwenya, the surname Baba. You must watch out. My sister. Yes, when ubani igama kukuphi ekhaya kaka?
Uzokwana from Eastern Cape.
Which side of Eastern Cape?
Queenstown.
Big up to Eastern Cape in the Queenstown. Uyazi ke Eastern Cape ukuthi thina ekhaya si represent iGqeberha. No, ingcobo. Ngobo.
Hayi no, why not iGqeberha?
Hayi ingcobo. Ingcobo nje. Wena usufuna ingcobo wena. So are you guys dating?
Yeah, ish.
How long?
No, you can see my brother.
How long have you been dating?
1.5 now.
1.5.
Yeah.
What is it that you love about your partner?
I love her too much because she shows me the world, she shows me the place, teach me the language.
Sure.
She
Power
makes
to
me
that.
feel free in this country. Also.
Power to that. You are doing a very good job right there. So, Mamas, what is it that you love about Sean?
It's that he is so gentle. He understands me. He always supports
Shoni.
me.
So that's Shoni you. Is Shoni you nice? I wanna Shoni. When I
don't talk like that. So.
You like him, Kafazo, eh? Do you like it?
What's that?
Do you love to make love to your person?
Yeah, obvious. We make love.
Yeah.
When you have someone, you must make love.
Yeah, true. So tell me, Sean, do you have someone that you are seeing besides your partner on the side? No, ne? It's only her.
Yeah, it's only her.
Sister, when you call nomunye umuntu ojolana ngaphandle ka Sean?
No.
Mawukuthi Sean akekho ulinde Sean azaboye?
Yes.
Okay. Sean uyamthanda ne? Ngicela umtshele futhi ukuthi uyamthanda uqede lapho umuphe nehug.
You will never know. Maybe it's the last hug for Shoni.
Shoni? He's with me.
Oh, it's with
Yeah, he's with me. Don't worry, Shawnee.
Okay.
Yeah, Sean, I have to let you go, brother. Thank you so much. But Sean, before I let you go, are you a dancer or are you an artist? You look like an artist.
Yeah, I'm an artist.
You're an artist. What do you do?
I record. I
You record?
produce, yeah,
You,
music
Sean?
Artist, yeah.
You also sing?
I do.
You rap or sing?
Oh, that's it.
Come
I
on,
rap,
Sean.
I sing.
Sean, no. Sean, can I tell you?
Whatever, yeah.
Your image,
Yeah.
you look like an artist.
Nah,
Yeah. When you came there, when I was following you and your girlfriend, I thought, come on, these guys, what are they doing? Are they superstars or what? So, Sean, serious, you have a voice.
yeah,
Small line for us, please. Please,
But why are you doing this?
because I'm giving you a platform.
You're supposed
So
to go
I'm
to
giving
the-
you a platform
supposed to go to the mall
so
and
that
go in
your people can know you more. Please, Sean, one small line for your lady. Shawnee.
can't.
You can't,
I'm
did
shy.
it? You're shy. No problem, my friend. Sean is shy, but I have to let you go. But before I let you go, there's a thing that we do here. It's called loyalty test. Loyalty test is whereby we're switching phones for 60 seconds. You give your partner your phone for 60 seconds to check on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, if you do use, to see who you're flirting with and all of that. I'm going to understand officially. You are loyal to Shawnee.
loyal.
Shawnee,
Yeah.
are you loyal to your partner?
100%.
So you don't mind. Why, Shawnee, you look at me like that now?
I'm checking now that you're talking about phones. And
Yeah, to switch phones. You're going to
Switch
give your
phones.
partner your phone so that you can check on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. You're not dating other girls, right?
No, I'm not.
You're loyal to her?
Sure.
Sure. Sister, give me your phone. Give me
Our
a
phone is with me.
Phones are with you?
Yeah.
Both of them? No, don't me will touch. Hey, Shawnee!
But why are you touching my phones like that?
Sean.
What's wrong?
You trust it?
Yes.
What's wrong?
How? Sean.
That's no problem.
Thank you. Come this side. Sister, please stand this side. Shawnee, this side, brother. You good?
I'm good.
Seems like you're nervous. What's wrong?
Yeah, no, I'm scared
Why?
because there's these people here and I don't know these people here.
No, you can trust us.
Oh,
You can trust me.
I don't trust people.
You can trust
I
me.
don't trust people.
But you can trust me.
No, I don't trust them. I only trust my I only trust my woman.
Because they just want to check that.
Yeah, we're checking, that's all.
Okay, so no problem.
Sean, last question. Do you want to apologize to this lady?
Just continue, check. Let's check.
Okay? Sister, do you want to apologize?
No.
No apology. Let the games begin. It's about that time. We are starting with your phone with Shawnee. Yon, believe Tango. Yes. Love it, Sean. Please hold it. Don't be shy. Now, what's up now? Sean, when I say type, you're going to type here.
Yeah.
If you see your name here, you tell me. If you don't see your name, you tell me again which name you see. Or other man's name, you tell me. Ne?
Yeah.
So when I say type, you're going to type here. All right, guys, you're on WhatsApp right now. When you're about to type the changes, type there, say, I love you. Sister, manje wena bakushayele nje.
Ngiyangishayela.
Manje ushona kabi jealous.
Hawu phela ngiyamtshela ngiyambonisa nama-screenshot ukuthi hayi cha baba nakho.
Nakho ngena amanzi endlini. Sean, what do you see there?
I only see me.
You only see you, ne?
Me alone.
All right, power. Delete I love you, Sean. Please type I miss you. Put a red heart next to it. Take it easy, Sean. So, akaze nje ufike isikhathi la engathi ungalahla khona kancane.
No, because ngihlezi ngisesikoleni, so I'm busy with my studies. The only time I get is to spend with him.
It's me and the sister. I think it's her sister, this one.
Delete. Type there, say sex. Does he ask for sex or on WhatsApp for you, Shawnee?
Not too much, sometimes.
Right, that's sex when I'm Sean.
It's only me.
On the unit.
Yeah, only.
Delete there. Put a brinjal emoji. Put a Pinterest emoji. Put water, they say, and put you know it's right.
Must put what?
Water.
Water.
Yeah, the one that impopoma. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, this one like squatting, yabo. And tell me, what do you see?
okay.
Nothing. I was darling ama emoji.
No.
There's nothing like that. There's nothing.
Delete if there's nothing like that and type money.
How
Ish.
Money.
Money,
I ask money from my mom and my brothers.
but not other men's, right?
Oh, no, I don't.
No, nothing.
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 Wait. Do you play Facebook?
Yes, but
Not-
I just post. There's nothing on Facebook.
Okay.
Come on for them.
Amvulele. Tango. Okay, type here, I love you, put a red heart. If it says no results, tell me. Also, Facebook, Instagram, no, TikTok, awukho lapho.
No.
Yeah, those abantwana ne. And iphendula abantu abadala abantwana ne. Bona mama umntana, bona mama umntana
It's
bethu.
nothing.
Nothing ne.
Nothing here.
How do you feel?
I feel good, and I don't doubt her, you know. So there's no way for me to keep on checking this stuff because I know already that she loves me.
Do you love her?
I love her so much. So
Does he trust you?
yeah, she does too much.
Do you trust yourself?
I trust myself.
Do you have a pocket?
Yes, I do.
Do the right thing. Don't shake.
Yeah, ish.
What? Do you want to apologize to this lady?
No. She can check there.
We are checking.
Yeah. But there's one for business.
Wait. Business, what's going on in business?
For customers only.
For customers.
clients, yeah.
For clients only.
Clients only.
It's fine. We won't touch customers. Okay.
You won't tell them you
What
like
customers
them,
are for?
For my jobs there, for
Which jobs?
electric and music. So you see, this music stuff also there's going too much of.
Oh, clients
So,
from
yeah,
female client.
Yeah, female clients.
Johnny.
They come with different stories, so just check.
Johnny. When I say Johnny, masa ngithi type lana, uzotype lana. Makuvele igama lakho la ungitshele. Makuvele igama lezinye ifebe lana ungitshele. Johnny, unlock these chats. Unlock here. Put your pin here. Why are you locking
Why
chats?
do you have locked
Because it's
chats?
for business. I said it. Some other chats are business
so you
and
lock your
yeah.
business chats?
Yes, babe. Yes, babe.
Sisters,
Sorry.
come now. All right, guys, my name is King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, and we are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type the trenders. But before we type the trenders, I want South Africa to touch your screens and say, Johnny, Aish, Johnny. Type la put I love you.
You say your name is
King Ginger.
King Ginger.
Yeah.
So what are you doing here? Where are you staying?
Me?
Yeah.
I stay down the road.
Wait. Wait, who's Amanda?
Oh,
Velo, Amanda.
I mean, who's
Yes.
Amanda?
Fethi kamera.
this-
You even changed my numbers from my wife to.
no.
Oh, so usekubiza ngegama. Uba Amanda.
Who's Amanda?
Ukubiza ngobani wena lapho usuba lapho.
He just wrote Bay.
Uba ipay
From
yini?
wife.
Wife to
I
pay.
lost the phone.
Who's Amanda?
Who's Amanda?
Is also a client.
Can we call her?
A client.
Yeah, is a
Can we call your client?
Yeah, we can.
Please
Okay.
make sure that you pack all my things
It's a-
there
it's a-
before your girlfriend will come back. What the hell?
Wait.
Now you're going for it.
She's going deep, ne? Wait.
That's the message I just received here.
Yeah. Asimfonele little bitch. Asimfonele.
Yes, but now she's at work. That one you're gonna
Ne.
skip
At work.
that one.
Ne.
Yeah.
You even know that she's working.
You know her schedule. You know everything about her. How's that even possible?
Johnny.
Aish.
Aish. Johnny. Aish. Hi, can I speak to Amanda?
Good day.
Washa. Amanda, unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila sisi wami. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi uyamazini uJohn.
Ngiyamazi.
Wena nani yini?
Umuntu wami.
Yeah. Schwartz wena, Schwartz. So sisi wami, uAmanda wena Amanda uJohn umnentombi yakhe la and wena naye niqale nini ukuthandana? Uthi wena unamanga.
Who's lying?
Johnny.
Okay.
Tell the truth.
Okay,
Nang sister uthi uyadelela wena.
Hello, sis.
Hello.
Ngicabuzwa ukuthi wena no Shoni nihlanganisa ini?
Ihlanganisa umjolo.
Angizwanga.
Yeah, nhlanisa umjolo. What, Sean? What?
From
What?
nini, sis?
Shoni, what?
Buza yena.
Johnny.
Angithi ngibuza wena from nini?
Sister buza yena.
Babe.
Angithi siyayishare umuntu so buza yena.
Oh, Nyamhlebe, stop it. Stop pointing me.
You see what you did now. You see
Uthi Johnny wena ubumakhwapheni wakhe and wakutshela ukuthi
He's a client. Now you
Are you dating a client?
Listen.
Are you dating a client?
yeah, uthi wena uzolanda ama-under akho laphana awomile. Yeah.
Ginger, you see you.
No, why you blaming me? John, Shoni, how many hamba wena sister ungakhali hamba. How? Sorry. How many times I asked you, do you want to apologize? How many times? Stop.
Yeah. Ginger. Hi.
Yini awukholwa mawuyibona ishona le?
Babe.
Akuyena ubhebe wakho. Sister usafuna ukukhuluma nalo. Mbambe kanjalo mfethu. Unganyakazi naye. Usafuna ukukhuluma naye njengoba umbona ukuthi ukwenza kanje. Manje ngeke usaqhubeka naye.
Phuma kimi.
Wazoza ngapha sisi, waza ngapha. No, akasakufuni.
Phuma kimi. Phuma nje kimi. Leave me alone.
No, akasakufuni na ifoni yakho. Sister usu-right ngayo ngithi.
Ngi-right ngayo.
What do you mean when she's going when? What do you mean when she's going?
Leave that guy on, babe, please.
Amanda.
Babe, come, babe.
Amanda.
I told you he's a customer.
Customer.
Dating your customer? How
Yeah.
is it even possible?
Yeah.
Your customer?
Yeah. And he's saying that he's a very important customer. Yeah. Yeah.
Fuck you, Ginger, man.
Fuck you too.
Ginger, fuck you, Ginger.
You too.
Ginger, you see what you did, Ginger? Now.
Sister, uthi fuck you Gwen.
Are you saying fuck you too?
Ngizokushaya wena. Ngizokushaya.
If I'm going back home,
You are going back home.
show you who I am.
We will meet home in Zimbabwe. I will lure you home. I will lure you home. I will lure you home. You.
Babe.
Fuck you.
Please call me, babe.
Fuck you.
Ginger.
We will meet home in Zim.
Oh,
And
of these people of yours.
I will lure you home.
Ginger.
Hi.
Cut your hair. I'll cut that long hair of yours.
I will cut your hair too.
I'll cut that hair.
And I will break your teeth. Never.
I'm telling you now.
Asambe wena sister. Ujwayela kabi lo. Yeah. And I will cut your.
Fuck you, Ginger.
Eish. Siswami ujwayela kanjani nale ndoda yakho lena enhlamba le. Futsek wena. Hamba naye lo welcome. Haw. Asambe wena sister. Haw. Wena ujwayela kanjani nale ndoda engenangqondo kanje uyabona ukuthi ufuna ukungishaya manje uyambona ngisi.
Akekho nje.
Was. Akekho nje uqonda ukuthini muthi akekho nje njengoba uyibona le ndoda ukuthi kuhlaza uzoba nayo imali yokugibela bapho plastic bengani. Ziphi into zakho? All right?
Essentially, I want to buy food.
Beniyothenga ukudla.
Yes, I just
Manje ucabanga kwenza nje nisafuna ukukhuluma naye.
angifuni ukukhuluma naye into engizohlanganisa naye ayikho. I'll just go ngiyokwenza
Woza ngapha?
ngizenzele
Yeah.
i-cash send and take
Uhambe ne.
home.
Okay. King Ginger Cream de la Cream. My sister confused. Ushoni ngizomgangaza mezongijoyela kabi. Welcome. Yeah, ngoba lemfana sihambile woza mfethu. Woza umntwana la uzokudinga ukuze ukwazi ukumsiza ayothatha impahla zakhe. Awusho khona impahla ozodinga kuyoyithatha kubuka lo mfana.
Yeah, impahla nje because bengizomvakashela since ngiphume esikolweni.
Oh. Welcome. Uzophelezela ingane yothatha impahla lapha kaShoni. And then usimrequestela gibele. Muphi haki welcome abe right lo mntana usenkingeni mhake kahle ya mhake. Phenduka welcome. Ya mhake. Akakahle ingane mfethu deep hug. Injani mnandi? Okay, ish ingane yakhala man. Mphinde ngenye welcome asayiqukula ingane lengane yakhala man. Sorry mamazi ungakhali sister thola enye indoda ezo welcome zokunakekela. Welcome zophelezela ingane ufuna umshaya ushone makuthi uzama ukusondela ingane yakhala manje la. Yeah. King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Ekse Chris asenze kanje awungiyise ekhaya mina ngizohlala ebhasini. Welcome kuphela uzongena lapha ngoba mina angifuni ukumshaya lo mfana. Yeah, take me home.
Hey yo boom, it's
It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuyu bambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanumjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.